Alright, in this video I'm going to do some staining. What I'm going to do is, because of my mock-up, I'm going to do this edging here in a dark brown, and then the center I'm going to do in an antiquing. I don't want to cover up what I don't want to cover up. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to do the brown first, I'm going to lay down some painter's tape. And so I don't cover into the area that I want the later antiquing done. So with that painter's tape, I can go through and add that brown on there and on the edges and up here and get that all looking real nice. And I don't have to worry about being really cautious because I already know I'm going to get it into the area where I'm going to antique. So this will just help prevent that. So through like the magic of video, we're just going to do this. And look at that. It's all done. Now, get ready for dyeing. How I like to do the dyeing, though, is this is my process. And I'll actually kind of show this out. I have a garbage bag that I've cut apart. And I can lay this out. And get my pieces I want to dye. So that just protects my work surface. And then in case I spill extra dye, so I don't have like a little puddle laying around, I have this piece of parchment paper I just put out. It'll soak up any extra dye. I don't have it puddled. It won't puddle and run into other areas too. So that's one of the things I've done, and I like it that way. So we got all those out, and then we got the dye. Now I got brand new gloves because my old gloves, they were getting pretty nasty, but I try to reuse my gloves as much as possible. Saves money that way. It helps out. So let me glove up, get ready, and we'll dye the dark brown on all the pieces already.